hope you all are doing well this morning. Today is February 15th of our devotional, and it says, change is the only constant. Psalms chapter 114, verse 8. He turned the rock into a pool of water. Yes, a spring of water flowed from solid rock. 1 Samuel 15, verse 29. He who is the glory of Israel does not lie or change his mind. For he is not a human being that he should change his mind. 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 18. So all of us who have had that veil removed can see and reflect the glory of the Lord. And the Lord, who is the Spirit, makes us more and more like Him as we are changed into His glorious image. Matthew chapter 18, verse 3. I tell you the truth, unless you turn from your sins and become like little children, you will never get into the kingdom of heaven. Romans chapter 12, verse 2, my favorite verse in the whole Bible. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verses 1 and 2. To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven, a time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, a time to pluck what is planted. And at the bottom it says, change makes people uncomfortable. They feel safe with familiar things. Donkey cars worked, so why would we want to buy cars? Fixed phone lines worked, so why do we need mobile phones? Change is necessary for growth and prosperity. God changes and renews your mind and your lifestyle so you can grow into the image of Christ. Every change to a new season brings its own blessings and joys. Trust the unchanging God with each new season. I like that. It's good that God changes us. We're supposed to be changed into the image of Christ, and that's what the Bible tells us. We're to be. Jesus is our model. He is our. He is the person that we're supposed to follow after, the way He does things. We should follow in Jesus's footsteps, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. I know I put out a video. It's kind of late last night. If you haven't saw it yet, you can take a look at it and tell me what you think. Also, join us on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.